Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Sitekit in WordPress. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, then Add New, and search for Google Sitekit. Install and activate the plugin. Once activated, click Start Setup and follow the simple steps to connect your Google account. This initial setup typically takes less than 5 minutes, verifying your site ownership and preparing for data collection. After the initial setup, Sitekit guides you through connecting essential Google services. You can easily link Google Analytics to understand your audience, Google Search Console to monitor search visibility, and Google AdSense for monetization. Additionally, integrate page speed insights to evaluate your site's loading performance. Connecting these services provides a comprehensive view of your website's health and user engagement, all within one convenient dashboard. Once your services are connected, the Sitekit dashboard becomes your central hub for data. You can view your overall traffic, top-performing content, and how users interact with your site. For instance, you might see that 80% of your traffic comes from organic search, or that a specific blog post receives thousands of views daily. Understanding these numbers helps you make informed decisions to enhance your content and user experience. To maximize Sitekit's potential, delve into its advanced features. You can manage roles, allowing different team members access to specific data. Customize your dashboard to highlight the metrics most crucial for your goals, perhaps focusing on conversion rates or bounce rates. Regularly reviewing your data, perhaps once every 2 weeks, helps you spot trends and make continuous improvements, ensuring your WordPress site remains optimized and performs at its best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.